After the Lord had said these things to Joab, he said to Eliphaz the Temanite, I am angry with you and your two friends, because you have not spoken the truth about me, as my servant Joab has. So now take 7 bulls and 7 rams, and go to my servant Joab, and sacrifice the burnt offerings for yourselves. My servant Joab will pray for you, and I will accept his prayer, and not deal with you according to your folly. You have not spoken the truth about me, as my servant Joab has. So Eliphaz the Temanite, Bildad the Shuhite, and Zophar the Naamathite did what the Lord told them, and the Lord accepted Joab's prayer. After Joab had prayed for his friends, the Lord restored his fortunes and gave him twice as much as he had before. All his brothers and sisters and everyone who had known him before came and ate with him in his house. They comforted and consoled him over all the trouble the Lord had brought on him, and each one gave him a piece of silver and a gold ring. The Lord blessed the latter part of Joab's life more than the former part. He had 14,000 sheep, 6,000 camels, 1,000 yoke of oxen, and 1,000 donkeys. And he also had 7 sons and 3 daughters. The first daughter he named Jemimah, the second Geziah, and the third Keren Hapuk. Nowhere in all the land were there found a woman as beautiful as Joab's daughter, and their father granted them an inheritance along with their brothers. After this, Joab lived 140 years. He saw his children and their children to the 4th generation, and so Joab died an old man and full of years.